my name's Priya, and this turmeric face mask helped clear my acne and scarring. I add chickpea flour and turmeric to a bowl. The chickpea flour helps pull out any impurities from my skin, and the turmeric heals. I then add in yogurt, mix it all up into a paste, and it's ready to use. So if the color is any more yellow than this, it'll end up staining your skin, but it's okay if it does. Just get some milk and the yellow turmeric will just come off. So I saw Sid peacefully sitting and enjoying himself, and I just had to put the face mask on him too. This part is optional, but when the face mask starts to dry, I rub it to take it off, and it kind of acts like a natural exfoliant. It's a little hard to wash my face in the van, so I get a cloth and just wipe off all the excess. Let me know if you have any questions.
Colonized product is this about to be? Discover the power of turmeric. Let's see how much this product costs. $58? Are you kidding me? Not only are you years late and just discovering the powers of turmeric, but you're trying to pass this newfound knowledge off as something you discovered and you're generously sharing with the world. And you're charging people $58 for this product. South Asians have been using haldi, or turmeric, as an ingredient in Ayurvedic face masks to help reduce inflammation and bring out that natural glow. In fact, many of us have a ceremony right before weddings where you put turmeric paste on the bride and groom-to-be for this exact purpose. It's the cleansing and purifying of the bride and groom, and it's believed to take off any nazar or evil eye that's placed on them. So y'all are better off looking up an Ayurvedic turmeric face mask recipe and making it home instead of spending $58 on this product. Definitely won't be providing the same benefits as the DIY version. To clarify, I'm not trying to gatekeep this. Everyone should enjoy the benefits of turmeric. All I'm saying is seeing it marketed in this way is insulting to our intelligence.
Hey guys, so I made a turmeric and honey mask for my skin. Supposedly it's supposed to make your skin glow, so let's test it. It's supposed to have a consistency like this, so that's basically all we need for one mask. So I'm just gonna apply it like this. My skin's been kind of dull lately, so this really should help. So this is what I look like with it all on, which is more than enough. So let's wait 15 minutes and I'll wash my face and show you guys the results. Wait, I just googled that and they said 10 minutes because if it's more than 10 minutes, it will stain if you have light skin. So do not put this on for more than 10 minutes. So I just washed my face. This is what it looks like. You could see from my nose, it's kind of like glass a little bit. So I've never seen that in the longest time. And just so you know, if your face comes out too yellow, just grab a cotton swab and put some rose water on it and wipe your face.
It's my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. Do you like?
They want black people to leave this app, but let me tell you what we should do. Any person of color video that come across your For You page, like it. Watch the whole video through and like it. I'ma leave a comment, even if it's just a laugh and giggle. Match somebody else's words in the comment section. And I'm going to send a video to my mama, and she don't even have a TikTok. But your shares are going to increase in a way that's not